Good PM. Ngayon po ay Monday, February 23, 2026 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Monday, February 23, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong February 23, 2026 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Monday, February 23, 2026. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for February 23, 2026, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Monday, February 23, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.